What's up, YouTube? Murphy Firearms Training here. Got a box in today. Went ahead and opened it up. It is from F5 Manufacturing. So I saw this deal pop up in my feed. It's something I've been looking at for a while. I'm going to show you what came in the box. First, I got a vertical foregrip. That's a cheap plastic one from UTG. Nothing fancy. I actually think I have this exact foregrip on another gun. It's plastic. It's okay. We'll set that to the side. That's the first thing that came. The second thing that came in the box was this. Okay, if you look very closely and the camera will focus, these are blanks, specifically 223 blanks. Star crimp. So 223 blanks. Cool. The third thing that came in the box was this black tube that is knurled on the end. Just a hollow tube. That's it. And the last thing in the box is this. A can cannon. I've wanted one of these for a while to play with. I'm very, very excited. It also came with a sight that I went ahead and mounted on it. So it's actually a sight. It's from F5 Manufacturing. And this sight, I'll show you this how this thing looks and how it works. It's got this little dial on it. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on that. So you see our little dial there. And all it does is it keeps you level from left to right, and it sets your distance. Okay, so it goes from, looks like 20 yards to 70 yards, something like that. Okay, 80 yards. Max distance is 80 yards, is what it says. Okay, and you got this little peephole you look through. And the idea here, guys, is this is, come on, focus for me, camera. This is a sight, so there's our peephole we look through to help you shoot your cans accurately. For what I'm going to be using it for, probably won't do any good, but I got it anyway. It came with a kit. So they were selling this kit, and it was everything you see here. And by the way, this is for soda cans and tennis balls. This is for golf balls. So it's a golf ball launcher. All of this came in a kit for $199. Now, what I want to make sure you know is that we've got our stripped upper, our can cannon, our golf ball launcher. I want to show you a couple of things. First of all, if I show you inside of this thing, you're going to see down in there you've got a post, a silver post with a little, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, there's a little pinhole in that thing, okay? And you slide your can down in there, or in the case, you can also use a tennis ball. Fits in there pretty snugly, okay? So tennis ball or a soda can. I'm going to find out what else fits in there shortly because we'll do some range videos with this soon. But to install the golf ball launcher, I thought you'd have to take this off and all that good jazz. Nope. It's threaded here. You just insert it. It's going to go over that center post. And the hardest part is getting it to start and not cross-thread it. And you just snug it down. Voila. Golf ball launcher. Inside the golf ball launcher, there is a lip. It's about my finger's length down. There's a lip. And I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see that lip on the camera there. Okay. The golf ball only goes in that far. That's it. The golf ball stops right there. So it doesn't go all the way in. I thought it went all the way in. But that's the golf ball launcher. You want to take that off. You just unthread it with the knurling. Voila. Back to a can cannon. Now, what you are missing, you have to have a lower. This is not a firearm. It can ship straight to your door. What you are missing, there is no bolt carrier group. You have to have a bolt carrier group, and you have to have a charging handle. You have to have those two things, and then you have to have a fully functional lower to pin this to. Now, I already have a lower to pin this to. That's not an issue. So I went ahead and ordered a bolt and a bolt charging handle. And I'm going to go ahead and put those on and have my fully functioning upper and be ready to go. Here's my charging handle. I actually bought this recently. I did not have a spare charging handle laying around. And a bolt carrier group that I actually had laying around. It's no logo, no nothing. I honestly couldn't even tell you who I bought it from. But standard bolt carrier group. Looks like it's full auto rated. Looks like it's full auto profile. Not that that matters. So on your charging handle, you got these little nubs here, okay? If you go to just insert this, okay, it's going to hit. You actually have to put it in let me show you this way. You actually have to go in, not in this slot it goes in, but you actually have to go up here until it falls in to the slot. Okay, see that there? Leave that, and then your gas key has to go into the opening, that hollow opening in the bottom of the charging handle. Okay, voila. And all that slides forward. Your bolt locks up. Your charging handle latches. Cool. Okay, now I bolt this onto a lower, and it's ready to shoot. Okay, so I've got my can sight. I've got that. I'm going to go ahead and put this UTG foregrip on the bottom of the can. And I may not keep it on there. I may actually put this on a different gun. You know, I mean, why not? It came with the gun. It came with the cannon. So I don't know what I'll end up using it for, but I'll use it for something. So we'll put that on, and cool. We have a functioning, ready to go. I'm just going to stick this on one of my existing lowers. I have a 223 lower. I'll take the 223 upper off, and I'll stick this on. And I'm really, really excited. You guys who are subscribed to the channel, we're going to have this out at the range. We're going to shoot some stuff with cans and golf balls and tennis balls. We are also going to try and hit a can with a shotgun. So we're going to go shoot trap with sodas. So anyway, really excited to try this. Stay tuned in, and we'll get some range videos of this up. Now that the weather's warming up, we'll do some range videos. Hope you enjoy it. It's a cool little deal. If it works, it's worth every penny that I paid. Like I said, this entire kit, minus the bolt carrier and the charging handle, $199. Now, if you don't have an extra bolt carrier and charging handle laying around, on the low end, you're getting right at $100 for those two parts. So really closer to $300 for this whole setup for the golf ball launcher and the cannon. So anyway, I also have some more blanks on order. I think it came with 20 or 25 blanks. I've got some more of those on order, so we'll definitely do a bunch of shooting with this. Appreciate the support, guys. Like, give it a thumbs up, and we'll have that range video coming soon, and you'll get to see some fun shooting with this. So stay tuned, and we'll see you then. Thanks, guys.